Understanding Secondary Waves, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, secondary waves, in English. This might be a new term for many of you, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your English comprehension and make you more confident in using the language. So, let's get started. Secondary waves, also known as S-waves, are a type of wave that occurs in certain contexts. In this section, we'll delve into what these waves are and where you might encounter them. Primarily, they are associated with geology and earthquakes. S-waves are a form of seismic wave that moves through the Earth during an earthquake. They are called secondary because they arrive at seismic recording stations following the faster primary waves or P waves. Now, let's talk about what makes these waves unique. Secondary waves have a distinct side-to-side motion. Unlike primary waves that compress and expand the ground, S-waves move the ground up and down or side to side. This is important because their movement can tell scientists a lot about the Earth's interior. One key characteristic is that S-waves cannot travel through liquids, which has helped scientists understand the liquid nature of the Earth's outer core. Understanding secondary waves is crucial in the field of Earth science and seismology. By studying the way these waves travel through the Earth, scientists can learn about the planet's internal structure. For instance, the speed and path of S-waves can reveal information about the type of materials they pass through. This knowledge is essential in assessing earthquake risks and understanding the Earth's composition. Interestingly, the term secondary waves can also be used metaphorically. In everyday language, it might refer to any secondary or indirect effect that follows an initial event. For example, in economics or social situations, the repercussions of an action might be described as secondary waves, highlighting their ripple effect. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, secondary waves, and its significance in both a literal and metaphorical sense. Remember, learning such terms not only helps in understanding the language better but also broadens our knowledge of the world. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and happy learning.